Okay, we're in the Pine Barrens here. I'm using a new camera today, the SX730 HS, so I'm going to try to get used to it. We're here at Sarnoff Preserve, and I'm going to be messing around with the settings, so the other camera was just starting to fail on me, so I had to get a new one. Yeah, video seems a lot smoother with this camera, doesn't it? Beautiful, huh? Look at these shapes here. You're at David A. Sarnoff Preserve. We're going to be walking all the way to the Dwarf Pines today. Okay, so got a little fall color here starting to show here in the huckleberries here. Ah, beautiful colors there right there. Beautiful, huh? Look at the color here. You got... Oh, there's a blue jay over there. I can think about this camera. Can zoom right in on him. Oh, where did he go? I think he flew away. Well, okay, started the video again. Hopefully this camera's doing a better job than the other one. So the other one was starting to go, the SX280. Beautiful blue sky, all the smoke is gone. Well, here's a new change. Looks like they did some thinning over here in this area here. This is very much needed. They have to do that around here. Because if the trees are too dense, it's going to cause the beetles to spread. So this is proper spacing between the trees here. So yeah, see, that looks a lot better. So they're probably going to do that down there too, probably eventually. They're going to do some thinning. See, this looks a lot better now. It's a lot more space between the trees, so much healthier. They do a controlled burn and they can restore the proper balance, you know. It's still when I first recorded crops a little bit. I don't know why. I don't know how to fix that. But yeah, this is the thinned area here. Really, this is a lot better now. This looks a whole lot better. So, DEC actually did a very good job here. Much better than they did in New Jersey with the Hovnanian Sanctuary. They took too many trees out there when they were doing the thinning, but this is just the right amount of thinning right here that's needed. And now that they thinned everything, you can really see that old, I don't know what that is there. Hopefully this camera is taking better video than the other one. Because the other one was, the stabilization was not great on it. Alright, you can see there is a bird over there. See, I can't see it though. But this camera's got, yeah. Let's see if we can spot him. Right to the left, right to the left, right there. He's hiding over there. This thing consumed a lot more too. It's beautiful. I'm smelling smoke. I think this is just an old controlled burn they did. I don't know. It smells like, yeah, it smells like they did a controlled burn or there is a fire going on here. Smelling something. I'm worried about the fire danger because it's been very dry lately and we're going to have high winds and low humidity. So look at this. This is beautiful. They really made this look amazing. They really restored the ecosystem here very nicely. Yeah, they really restored the proper balance in this forest. You can see that. Reminds me a lot more of New Jersey now, the way it looks, you know? Which is what we need to do. We need to be more like New Jersey. Because I don't want to have to live there. Let's build affordable housing, too. Let's do that, too. Like they do in New Jersey. That's right, Lynbrook, Rockville Center. Yep, affordable housing mandated in your town, whether you like it or not. Eventually, maybe that'll happen. Alright, so we're going to make a left here on this trail, and we will be going down into the Dwarf Pines, Westhampton, to the South Shore. Of course, got to go to the South Shore. Wasn't too great going out here, I'll tell you guys. Got on the bus. The bus ride was okay, but I saw a bum going through trash in Mineola, right on Mineola Boulevard, and just every station along the line out here, bums. Won't see that on the South Shore. But they never took the tickets, so it was a free ride out here the whole way. That's the least they can do for inconveniencing us with this project. Okay, we're in a mature pitch pine forest here. Still continuing on this trail. That's where we came from. And this is where we're heading, to the Dwarf Pines. Still got a little ways to go. Finally reached the power line right away. That trail seems like it goes on forever, so we're going to be taking this power line right away now. Probably be about 20 minutes on this before we hit 31, and then I'm going to make a right. And then we go down 31 and go to the Dwarf Pines. You know what I'm going to say? Delicious. All right. Looks like we still got a ways to go. Gorgeous area. Look at this. Look at these delicious shapes here. Wow. And I'm still on this path because it's just so spectacular. Got a jet blue going into jail. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. Jet blue. Well, at last we've gotten to the road. Oh boy. Finally. It took a long time to get here. You look at it on the map, you're like, oh, it's not that far. And you walk it, and you just in awe of all the beauty that's here. It'll take you a while to get through. Okay, we're in the Dwarf Pines now. Finally here. This is the next part of our hike. Oh, man, I feel beat already. Look at these shapes, though. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, man. Oh, look at these shapes here. Oh, man. So we're really in the Dwarf Pines here now. It's very arid, very desert-like. It's just nothing but great shapes here. Some of these pines have really short needles, like this one here. Got some sea beach heather here. A lot of sea beach heather, actually. It's very desert-like over here. Very desert-like. These pines are so small. Yeah, I'm actually on the ground. I gotta get up. That's how small these trees are. Oh, that's why they call them dwarf pines. You can see the serratinous cones right there. It's actually got fresh cones. Yep, these are dwarf pines right here. And the cool thing about this SX730, it's got a flip screen on it. So I don't have to get on my knees to show you this little tree right here. Granted, I still like the way my CCD cameras perform when it comes to pictures, but CCDs cannot take high definition video, so you have to use a CMOS for that. So this little tree right here actually is very old. It could be 80 years old. These are dwarf pines. They just don't grow very high, you know. But these trees are actually very old. They're just as old as the, you know, these are mature pines. They're just dwarf pines, so they don't grow at full height. They're pretty amazing. I like bonsai trees. They're pretty cool. It's absolutely beautiful here. Still overexposes though. I still have to manually adjust. That's better. Delicious. Ah, it's just one beautiful scene after another. Yeah, this is one of the most desert-like places you'll find in the Pine Barrens. It's very piney here. As you can see, it's just a sea of dwarf pines here. And I mean a sea. Yeah, it's just amazing here. This is really desert-like over here, man. I'll tell you. Wow. So piney here. Yeah, it's a shame you got the highway here, but just look at that beautiful blue sky. Just speaks for itself. Okay, we've come on this. We've come to this old airfield here. They use this for model airplanes. Doesn't look like anyone is here today. Check out some of those pines over there, and we're gonna start heading back. Oh, we got sickle leaf golden aster right here. Yep, there you go. Bright yellow, little yellow flower. Looks like we also have some pine barrens heather too in the mix. More sickle leaf golden aster. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful sky. Some pretty cool shapes right there. Carpet of bearberry, and we've got more of the sickle leaf golden aster here. Right here. Huge field here, it's beautiful. Well, there's the exit. The road is over there. So, that's gonna wrap up this hike. One thing I like, my battery has not flashed not once. So that's very good. So that over there, that's an Allegheny ant mound right there. Who's dragonfly? So that wraps it up from here in Westhampton. Thank you for watching. I'm exhausted. Remember what it's all about. It's all about those great shapes.